Hi kids, with you Mrs. Dunya Sam. Today let's start with Connect Kg1 Unit 8 Part 2 about Phonics. It's Phonics time. Hi kids, today we will have two letters. Letter C and letter J. Letter C, sound K. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. K, K. As in cab, car, cat. Okay? What about the last letter of cab? Yes, it's letter P, sound P. What about the last letter of car? Letter R, sound R. What about the last letter of cat? Letter T, sound T. What about middle letter? It's A, cab, car, cat. It's letter A, sound A. Okay? Letter J, sound J. As in jacket, jacket, jacket. Jump, jump, jump. busy bee to look fine C and J. التمرين التاني هنشوف letter C sound K, letter J sound J ونعمل عليهم circle أو ندور عليهم ونحط تحتيهم خط. Number 1 cap. Number 2 car, K. Cat, K. Jacket, J. Jump, J. busy bee 1 trace and copy. You will trace letters C and J. Okay, as in car, cat, jacket, jump. Number 2, write the letter with busy bee. Okay, number 1 car. What is the beginning letter of the word car? Yes, it's C, K. Okay. What about the word jacket? Jacket. Yes. Letter J, sound J. Now let's learn about words listening and writing. busy bee 1 listen and circle the last letter. هنسمع الكلمات وهنعمل circle على last letter. Sweater, R. Shortest, S. Arm, M. Okay. Number 2, trace, cab, cat, car. Let's read with busy bee. It's reading time. Try to repeat after me. Try to read with me. Okay, my lovely kids. busy bee 1 read and follow. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. Okay. Number 2, the cat is sad. 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 Okay, number 3, the sad cat is on the car. The sad cat is on the car. The sad cat the car. The sad cat is on the car. Okay, number 4. The sad cat has a cat. The sad cat has a cat. The sad cat has a cat. The sad cat has a cat.